Hey, what's up guys? Walter here with Federal Brace. Today we're going to be installing the brand new thin floating shelf support rod. Very simple. We're just going to be using a Phillips bit, a drill bit and drill, and two very, very small screws to get you the thinnest floating shelves you can make. Let's get started. All right, the first one went up super easy. We're gonna install one more, and we're gonna throw a 24-inch shelf on here just to show you what an application could look like. All right, we've got those installed. I'm gonna go run and grab a shelf we can throw on here, but do note that typically when you have a drywall application, you're gonna cut out your drywall so that way your shelf sits flush up against the drywall with your bracket behind. I'm gonna go grab that shelf now, be right back. This is the Tiller Trade LED shelf. These guys were nice enough to send us one to use for our trade show. And I'm gonna show you how that looks slid onto these. We're not gonna be running cables or anything like that. And do note that once the drywall's there, this will sit flush up against the wall. And just like that, you've got pretty much the simplest installation for floating shelves. And these are right here are about 1.5 inches. You could even go as small as 1 inch. I'm even hearing stories of 3/4 of an inch using these brackets. So get out there, give them a try. Make sure to send us pictures of your applications. As always, I'm Walter with Federal Brace. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.